some of the easiest things that we did is we tried to capture all around the United States for these large companies, what they were doing with our tools. And some of the tools were pretty simple, pretty basic, and then some of them were pretty large size. And so we captured internal case studies. And the way that we got those is that we looked at our sales data and we basically looked at the largest sales wins that these accounts had. And we went to the sales account manager and said, would you mind just introducing us to this person so that we can just get a write-up, like a paragraph? And we were able to collect these internal case studies, and our sales account manager would use those when they talk to new people. And we also looked at, the database and we said, okay, do we have the right people for sellers to talk to? We were trying to get director levels and above, people who could make decisions, right? But a lot of our existing marketing was bringing in staff level.
Yeah, engineer, specifier kind of people.
Exactly. Mm-hmm. Yeah, the people who are using the tools, not the people who are making the decisions on what tools to use. So one of the first things that we did is we went and we did contact acquisition. So we did a contact assessment to make sure that the accounts had a good number of decision makers. And if they didn't, then what we did is we actually purchased contacts, or we used LinkedIn InMail. And we actually just did a very simple text-based email that says, we have a dedicated resource that is going to be able to partner with you on your accounts and would like to set up a 15-minute introductory Zoom call to see if you could take advantage of some of the investments that your company has already made at other locations. And those account intro emails, all you're doing is you're customizing it by the person's name in the account, and you're putting in your salesperson's name. Those produce so many great visits. Some people said, oh, I was meaning to reach out to you. Some people said, oh, we need to reorder. It was that right there kickstarted everything. So when I talk about configuring kind of marketing for these accounts, the 80-20 rule, I think it's important to kind of reference them by name. If you have a title, definitely talk about what you think they're doing. And then if you can get content that you generate that's already happening at their account, that works really well too.
Yeah, because it's not spammy, right? It's not fluff. We're actually already there. Look at your colleague in this other division. Go talk to them.